Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you that how can you change your Twitter handle or the Twitter username in your Twitter profile. So if you see, this is an ad I'm getting from a company called Pizox. So this is their display name, and this at the rate Pizox dot Pizox Co, that is their username. So if you want to change your username, you need to follow some extra steps, because this is the unique identity that helps you identify your account on Twitter. So how do we need to do that? How can we change our username in Twitter? So for this, you need to open up Twitter in your desktop, go to these three dots, and here you will find that this is your existing username. So if you want to change it, then what you need to do is click on these three dots that says more, go to settings and support, settings and privacy, go to your account, and from your account you have the first option that says account information. So go in there, and here you might be prompted to enter your password. So once you enter your password, you will be given a list of usernames from which you can choose from, and once you are happy with the username, then you can just select that username, and that username would be updated. So your old username would be discarded and would be available for someone else to get, and your new username would be available for you to use. That is, your username would be updated. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.